Malacanang hopes international law will prevail in finally resolving the country's territorial dispute with China. This Department of Foreign Affairs elevated the case to the International Tribunal. Rocky Ignacio with the details.
Malacanang stands firm that the Philippines has a strong case to bring the territorial dispute with China in the West Philippine Sea at the United Nations, particularly at the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea, or ITLOS. Presidential spokesperson Edwin Lacerda said the government had studied the case before filing the petition before an independent international tribunal.
Will we win our case? DFA said that we believe we have a very good case under international law in any legal action. However, there are many different factors to consider. What is more important is that we are able to present our case against China and defend our national interests and maritime domain before an independent international tribunal. We expect international law to be the great equalizer.
Lacerda reiterated that the case was filed based on the provisions indicated in the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, or UNCLOS. Under the UNCLOS, waters inside the 200 nautical miles exclusive economic zone will be determined as Philippine territory.
The palace has taken the position that this is a rules-based approach. Our approach in going through the arbitral tribunal is the legal way that we have been saying. Secretary Del Rosario has the full confidence of the President being the chief policymaker.
Malacanang claimed the territorial dispute had been stalled despite an attempt by both countries to resolve the issue bilaterally.
The statement of Secretary Del Rosario has already mentioned that we have exhausted almost all possible means, and so you've remembered that we have adopted a three-way track: legal, political, and diplomatic, and we feel that now is the time to raise it before the arbitral tribunal. This is again on the basis of a rules-based approach to resolving the issues in the West Philippine Sea.
Meanwhile, Malacanang remains optimistic that the issue will not affect the economic relations of the two countries. Lacerda cited the recent survey in China designating the Philippines as the most romantic destination in the world by Chinese news dailies.
The Philippines and China have an incredible people-to-people engagement. We look forward to enhance it through an effective tourism program. More fun in the Philippines. By the way, China just called us the most romantic destination. So we are very romantic, and we will continue to spread our romance to our Chinese.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.